How are damages calculated in commercial litigation cases? In recent news, the topic of damages in commercial litigation has gained attention. Businesses and individuals alike are eager to understand how financial losses are assessed in legal disputes. If you are involved in a commercial lawsuit or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. Damages in commercial litigation are calculated by evaluating the financial losses suffered by the injured party due to the defendant's actions. The primary aim is to restore the injured party to the position they would have been in if the wrongful act had not occurred. One common method of calculating damages is through lost profits or lost business opportunities. This involves comparing actual earnings after the wrongful act with expected profits based on historical data and market conditions. By projecting what the business could have earned, analysts often relying on past performance and industry benchmarks to estimate these expected profits. Another aspect to consider is compensatory damages, which can include reasonable attorney's fees incurred during litigation. These fees can be recovered if permitted by contract or statute. The calculation of attorney's fees is based on the reasonable costs of legal representation related to the claim. Detailed documentation is essential in these cases. Courts typically requiring a thorough statement of damages claimed, including the methods used for calculations and a breakdown of each component. Supporting evidence such as financial records and expert reports are usually submitted to validate the claim. Many law firms and businesses utilize analytics tools to analyze financial data and track relevant performance metrics. Metrics such as profit margins and realization rates can help quantify damages and support the calculation process. Ultimately, damages in commercial litigation are determined by analyzing the financial impact of the defendant's conduct on the plaintiff's business. This process is supported by documentation and often expert testimony to confirm the calculations. Understanding how damages are calculated can be critical for anyone involved in commercial disputes, as it directly affects the outcome of litigation.